Hello, I am Donna and welcome to Crafting with Donna, my brand new YouTube channel all about arts and crafts. For my first episode, I am going to be working on make your own Santa decoration from Poundland. Right, so I've opened this package, I've put everything onto the table and I'm going to start it. So, what do I need first? Right, I'm going to peel this off because this will go on the bottom. So, that's how it goes. Then I'm going to line it all up and put it just there. Right, so the next bit I get will be the little present. And I'm going to move that out the way again. And try and, oops, it won't line up. Oh dear me. So that's in there like that. It's a bit tidy on the thing. Right, next one I need will be the flower. Well, the holly. And that will go again on top of there like that. So it's all straighten. And then I will need to do my other present, which is on the next side. So I open that. I pop that just there, which should go there on place. And then I'm going to do this and get that into place. Like so. It may look a bit dodgy, but it will fit hopefully. That's it. And then one of them can go on that side. That will be done. Then peel this bit when it comes off. And then put that on the side like that. Peel that, and that will go in the middle. Peel that side, and that will go on the other side, like so. So then we'll start with Santa Claus, shall we? Right, we'll get this one in the middle of his head. So we'll do his beard first. And so you just fidget around to make sure you can get him in the best place ever. So it's there. Put his face in. Could be really tricky, this could be. And get him in the middle. That's it. Right, so that's his face done. Right, now we'll find his little hand. His little glove, which should go about there. It might be a bit tricky, but don't worry about it. We'll put the other hand in as well. So we'll peel that and put the hand in just there. Right, get the next blue thing and peel that and put that inside. Make sure it's straight, because if it's not straight, it won't work. Right, and then what we'll do is we'll do the present up the top for its bow. So we've got to make sure that's in like that. Oops, it's sticking to the hand. Oops, that's a bit, that'll be okay. So that's that. So we need the hand gloves for the other hand, which goes in like that, and that's it in. Right, next bit is the chimney, it looks like. So we'll get this open. Watch out, because it does rip, but it's okay, because you can get it all sorted. Line that up, and it's quite spotless like that. And now we do the things at the bottom. So you grab that, put the black one at the bottom, get the next one up, which is the red one, and then you put them in, and then it's another pink red one again, and that goes up a bit. So try and get it even, but if you don't, not to fret about it, because nobody's perfect and it looks unique when you do it yourself, so you don't need to worry. And then next one is the black again, and then a few more colours. So we got this one, we got the red underneath, so it's like a chimney, and another red one straight in the middle there. So after this, we'll put on his beard sort of thing. Make sure that's in the middle, and it goes there, right? And then what we'll do, we've got a few coloured things for its presents, so we've got to stick them on there. So one, these are like little diamonds things, so they go in to there. So you just stick them on. There should be sticky pads underneath, but we'll put 2 on like that. They're meant to be 3, but there's no point doing 3. Right, now let's try these. Then you use your own glue and you stick your little bubbles onto these. So there's one bubble. Stick the other one. There's 2. So you have to get your own prick stick for this, but you can use any glue as long as they stick, you're fine. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then the final one will be up to the top, and there you have it. How's that? So this is from Poundland. It's all over the UK. It costs £1, of course, and it's up until the Christmas season. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. I'm planning on uploading regular crafting videos, so make sure to enable those notifications too. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.